Tournament Director ng Chops Pickleball have no other than Wowo Panggatson!
Tapos kinakabahan ako ngayon dahil tapos lalo ka nandyan yung hinahangaan ko si Tomo Odi. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Una sa lahat po, nagpapasalamat ako sa presensya ng bawat isa dahil sa pagdalo ngayong gabi sa opening ng 2025 Congressman Cup Pickleball Tournament. Bilang isang tournament director, isang karangalan na maging bahagi ng pagpapalaganap ng bagong sports po na sumisikat ngayon dito sa ating Mindoro. And ngayong gabi po ay sisimulan na po natin ang second tournament ng pickleball dito po sa Mindoro. And hindi po ito magiging posible kung wala ang suporta ng ating major sponsor na si Tom Oding Tariela. Kaya
yung battery natin na rules, yun din ang gagamitin natin. Same rules. Unless may question kayo. Kaya kung wala na, yun lang. Thank you.
Wow! Pickleball! Tom Odi! Tom Odi, we would like to be inspired by you. May we hear some message.
Thank you, Chair Panggatson. Very energetic and very enthusiastic leader. No? It is my distinct honor and privilege. Actually, you should not thank me. No? It's my privilege to be here in Chops Pickleball Cup. Alam mo, ang sports talagang, even we in Congress, I'm very supportive of the Committee on Sports and Development, being the Vice Chairman also of the sports. So I'm very supportive. That's why nung pumunta si Henry Panggatson si Senator sa bahay, no? Sabi niya kailangan daw niya ng konting sponsor mo. In 3 minutes time, tapos na kami. No?
2 minutes ata.
2 minutes time. Very supportive tayo. Alam mo,
showing kindness and encouragement
Showing kindness and encouragement
to my fellow players,
to my fellow players,
whether they are teammates or opponents,
whether they are teammates or opponents,
to treat referees,
to treat referees,
volunteers and spectators,
volunteers.
Alam, makinig kayo! Very worthy to mention na he initiated the bill last year to have a sports academy in Sablayan. So that's huge dahil with that going in Sablayan, it will not benefit only the residents of Sablayan but also the residents of all of Occidental Mindoro. And lastly, it is worthy to mention how easy it was to get the congressman's support for this first ever pickleball tournament for this year. When my brother Henry approached him for a possible sponsorship, he did not hesitate one bit. Sabi niya lang, okay, sige, magkano ba kailangan sa ganyan? Kaya sabi ni Kong, wag raw natin siya pasalamatan, but we cannot help it. We have to thank you because you made this possible. Without your support, this tournament would have been hard to make possible. So with that, we would like to call on Kong again to make the ceremonial.
The ceremonial opening of the tournament and to be followed by the ceremonial service by the Kong himself. Okay? Go open first. Before the ceremonial service.
when the power vested in me, upon as the sponsor of this Congressman's Cup Pickleball Tournament, I declare this tournament open.